welcome you all on the warm Sunday morning. The temperature here is quite cold. I hope the temperature is changing in all the other cities as well. I welcome you to the fourth plenary session of the second day of National Media Conclave being organized by Institute of Media Studies, Bhubaneswar, on the theme Communication for Social Change. Like all previous conclaves, this virtual conclave too is receiving tremendous response from the participants. Today's session is focused on social movement, advocacy, and civil society, and it is indeed our privilege to have panelists who have actually worked at the grassroots levels. I have seen the work of Ankuran sir, I've seen the work of Kanchan ma'am, and I've seen the CV of Ravindran sir and Biplab Chaudhary sir, and I'm totally sure that this session is going to be really fruitful for all the participants because you all have hands-on experience on social communication and communicating at the grassroots levels. Without saying anything else, because we have a limited time in our schedule, I would like to introduce all our esteemed panelists. Professor Gopalan Ravindran, who's the chairperson of this session, retired this year as the head Department of Journalism and Communication, University of Madras. He has been visiting research fellow at National Museum of Ethnology, Alaska, Japan, and visiting fellow at Department of International Communication, Nagoya University, Japan. He has also been associated with Manonmanian Sundar Nair University, Tirunelveli, Film and Broadcasting School of Communication, University Science Malaysia, University of Madras, and other institutions in various capacities. Professor Ravindran has been an esteemed member of various UGC committees and national committees of repute. His academic excellence has also made him a recipient of Arnavar Achievement Award in 2016 and Academic Achievement Award in 2012. He has massively contributed to the research repository through his national and international research projects. He also has 3 documentaries and a series of published works, including 3 books and more than 20 chapters and several research publications. The best part that I found in Sir's CV, which I'm really impressed with, is that he has conducted and introduced several pedagogical initiatives in the field of communication. One is Muthuram Courtyard, where the students of Folk and Theatre Arts Group have empowered and integrated students from the marginalized social and income backgrounds and helped them learn communication and journalistic skills through theatre and folk art. Another initiative made by him is Journalism for People, in which community journalism project is initiated, which works for empowerment of children and youth of marginalized communities. Professor Ravindran has also started an innovative research series, Media and Society Seminar Series in the University of Madras to promote exchange of ideas between young scholars and leading Indian and foreign scholars since 2008. More than 100 seminars have already been conducted under this series, and I really welcome you, sir, to this platform. Now coming to our next panelist, Professor Biplab Loha Chaudhary. Professor Chaudhary is head Center for Journalism and Mass Communication, Vishwa Bharati University. His area of specialization is media organization management, development communication, Indian perspective of communication. He has 6 published books, numerous chapters, and various research publications in journals of national and international repute. He is a regular invitee to international conferences and has shared his expertise at conferences in China, Thailand, and Poland. He is also a member of research expert panel in journalism at Dhaka University, Bangladesh. He is also an esteemed member of various national and international committees of repute. He was nominated as Secretarial President, Media and Communication at ICSP 2008 7th Conference of International Congress of Social Philosophy held at Vishwa Bharati. Professor Biplab has also been felicitated by Department of Agriculture, Government of Assam in 2002 for his contribution to agricultural development in the district of Kachar, Assam. Professor Ankuran Datta, I welcome you. We have been connected and I'm so glad to meet you again on this platform. I've seen Sir's work and he has been my mentor, I must say. So official introduction now I would proceed with. Professor Ankuran Datta is Head Department of Communication and Journalism, Guwahati University, Guwahati. Professor Datta is a media educator by profession with an experience of over 15 years and has been involved in different academic activities in India, Bangladesh, Canada, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, and Malaysia. Recently, he has been awarded with prestigious National Award for Outstanding Efforts in Science and Technology Communication in the Electronic Media 2018 by Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. He has also been a recipient of Best Media Educator Award at Media Education Summit 2018. Professor Datta recently participated in the study of United States Institute's program in journalism and media at E.W. Scripps School of Journalism at University of Ohio. He has done extensive work in the field of community radio. He founded the first radio service in Northeast Gyan Taranga and first web radio of the region, eGyan Taranga, as station manager. He worked on educational program production in radio for 5 years and is credited to have produced more than 800 audio and 250 audiovisual educational programs. He has traveled extensively, authored, edited, and translated books, research papers, and articles in his area of expertise, and organized several local, national, and international events. One definite thing that needs to be pointed out is that he's a managing trustee of the Dr. Anamika Ray Memorial Trust, which is an educational and research organization that works for media research and health rights in the nation and is successfully campaigning against medical negligence throughout the country with great success. And we all support you, sir, in that initiative. Coming to my favorite, Professor Kanchan Malik. I have been following ma'am on Facebook and everywhere else with her work. This is one first meeting because of Padi sir we have been able to meet. So, ma'am, you're also my mentor. Now coming to the official introduction. Professor Kanchan K. Malik is a professor in Department of Communication at University of Hyderabad. She has been a part of the academic fraternity for over 20 years and worked as a journalist. Coming back to ma'am, her research has contributed to policy advocacy efforts for community radio in India. Her scholarly articles on gender dimension of community radio as well as codes of practice for community media, among others, are widely cited. Her scholastic and research interests include women in community communications, community media, and public sphere journalism studies, media laws and ethics. She is co-author of the much-cited book, Other Voices, The Struggle for Community Radio in India, and has recently published another book, Community Radio in South Asia, Reclaiming the Airways. I welcome you, ma'am. I welcome Professor Biplab Chaudhary. Welcome, sir. And sir has a vast experience and his area of specialization is media organization management and development communication. We are really glad, sir, that you joined us today in this session because we are talking about communication for social change. And I've seen that you've been associated internationally also in different countries and given your expertise in the area. I welcome you, sir. And now I would request Professor Gopalan Ravindran, sir, to kindly start this plenary session with his words.